Time to see how much snow we got. Oh my, that is a fair bit. Wow, okay, I usually doubt when the weather says that we're gonna get a bunch of snow, but there's no way we could get the car out of the driveway. I actually have to dig the snowblower out before I can even use it. Boy, are you really stuck? Are you stuck? Come here. Game plan right now is to hopefully grab William, and maybe my mom will see if she wants to come with me. And we're gonna go and do some drifty skids and maybe a spin class. Yeah, do you wanna know what I've done with it?
What have you done with it?
I've made the lens weather sealed. I've put saran wrap around it and tape to seal it off so the water can't get into the lens. Sometimes
and if I'm holding the camera,
yeah, it's fine.
Am I gonna get snowed?
Probably.
Okay.
Sometimes, William, my genius is frightening. It almost scares me sometimes.
Wow, that's big brain.
Do you think they're gonna do it? Come on, it's an Audi. Oh, they totally want to. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of snow in there. That's cold. Quick disclaimer, and I shouldn't even have to say this, there's a time and place for everything, so make sure that when you're doing something like this, the worst thing that you could possibly hit is a snowbank or something that's gonna cause very minimal damage to your car, if any, and make sure you're not doing this around other people. And please, please put winter tires on your car. I really don't want you rear-ending me in traffic. Anyways, I have to head out now. I'm going to a client's place or around a client's place to shoot some stock photos of a $100 bill for them. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Let's go. This is my photo area right here. It's got all my stuff, it's got my bag and everything. I'm just getting ready to go. I don't really know what kind of photos they want. So I'm gonna keep the kit lens on just to be safe as a nice wide angle. But just in case they want like a more portrait-y shot, I got the 50 mil 1.8. So let's toss that in the bag and let's go. If you want to hear the story of what happened with that shoot and why I got the job and someone else didn't, make sure to leave a like down on the video for the YouTube algorithm and so that I know that you want to hear that video. But anyways, that effectively ends today's video. I got way too busy with my real job and also submitting applications for university, which is an absolute blast, I'm sure you can tell. But yeah, that's today's video. Peace.